Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We're starting to cool things off a bit after yesterday's and last night's severe weather, so a quieter day overall. We're still going to deal with some clouds and maybe even a lingering shower this afternoon and evening, but it does turn much cooler tomorrow. You'll notice that in the 7-day forecast. Here we go through our hour-by-hour forecast. Notice as the afternoon wears on, there's just a weak disturbance that wants to come through, and that's going to bring the opportunity for showers. We're not anticipating any thunder with that, just run-of-the-mill rain showers with a little instability. Highs today remain in the 70s, unlike the 90s we've been seeing the past couple of days. 51 for a low tonight. Areas of clouds, a slight chance for shower. Mainly that will be ending after midnight. And then tomorrow, because of all that cool air coming in off of Lake Huron, once again, a few instability showers possible, mainly north of Detroit. Look at those temperatures. Highs anywhere from the 50s to low 60s. You're going to find from cooler temperatures north of I-69 tomorrow, so don't let that shock you. 66 degrees. Sunshine returns on Saturday. We'll see some sun on Sunday, and then we do hit 70 next week. Well, thank you for clicking on WXYZ.com. I hope you have a great day.